Oh no! Oh, that's better. Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations. I'm taking a little break from doing a test carve for the Great Guitar Build-Off video. If you're really good, at the end of the video I might show you a sneak peek, so hang around for that. You may recognise this guitar from the Use What You've Got challenge, and in the last video from that, where we finished the guitar off completely, I gave you a very quick demonstration that it made a noise. Unfortunately, it wasn't a very nice noise because it wasn't in tune. And that was primarily because the nut still needed adjustment. I'd literally put strings on it and strummed it in front of the camera. But it also had this top plate needed to settle for, it's been about a fortnight now. While this is getting pushed down and now it's settled, it sounds rather lovely. So with all of the comments that I had in that video saying please give us a demo that's in tune, well, sit back and enjoy this. Well, that sounded a little bit better, even with some of my dodgy playing. Now, if you're still here, you probably want to see that little sneak peek, don't you? This is the test carve I've been doing for the headstock, which will be coming out in a video soon. There it is. That's going to be on the end of the headstock. That's enough of that. You'll have to wait for the proper video for the full thing. Go and sharpen your tools, tune up your guitars, and I'll see you soon. God bless.